Hi guys, welcome to VNT Tech Technical Solution to ease your day-to-day work. Now we are going to see another video about Alcatel OmniPCX Enterprise OXE system. This is a enterprise PABX system where you can connect analog IP, digital DECT, wireless LAN, and many other type of phones for the office and enterprise purpose. So now in the last video, we have seen like how to take the backup of the system. Now we are going to see how we can restore that database which we have already taken. Okay, so now what we do, we again go to the FTP, right? Because it's already in your laptop or in your PC, you have to transfer it to the Alcatel OXE hard disk. Then only you can restore. Okay. So how we can do that? I will show you. You go to either you can use a FTP client, FileZilla FTP client, or you can use the command prompt. Okay. In the command prompt, you are now just I am coming out of the previous command prompt. Okay. You are in the folder c.backup c/backup. Okay, your files, you have to make sure that all those files are there in the c/backup. So you have these files. Okay, now you ensure that the files are there. Now you have to do an FTP 192.168.0.31. I normally use this command prompt because I am familiar with it. I'm okay with it. But some people are not very okay with this command prompt. They can use the FTP client. That is a very easy graphical user interface. So it is very drag and drop. It is very easy for some other people. So whichever way you can use, whichever way you like. But I normally use this. Now you are going to connect to OXE MTCL. Password is MTCL. Okay. Now you have to go to the folder where you have to put these files. And guys, don't forget, as I told you, you have to transfer this back in binary mode because it is in binary as well as ASCII modes. There are two different modes. By default, it will be in ASCII mode, but you have to make sure that it is in binary mode. For that, what you have to do, you have to write BIN and enter. This type is set to I. Now you can put hash if you want. It is not mandatory, but if you put hash, you will see the transferring happenings. Okay. So now you can go to CD to the folder, right? CD USR4 slash backup in capitals, IMMED also in capitals. Okay. So now no such file or directory. You know why it is like that? Because I did a mistake. CD space slash USR4. I put USER4. That is wrong. So USR4 backup IMMED. Okay. Now it has gone successful. Now I have to put put. Earlier in the other video we put get star because we have to take out of the files from the OXE. But now we are putting put. We are putting the files to the OXE put star. Okay. Now it is asking put account. Yes. Permission denied. Okay. Why the permission is denied? Okay. We have to see. Okay. Maybe it is all will show permission denied. Okay. This I will fix, guys. Let me see. I can fix it out now. Okay, just a minute. Yes, guys, I have came to know what is the problem because the folder already in the OXE, inside the OXE, already the files were there. So it was not allowing me to overwrite the files. So what I did is like I just deleted all the files inside the laptop. Sorry, not the laptop, inside the OXE hard disk. So once it was deleted, I am able to transfer. You can just see right now, like I am putting, yes, it is allowing me to just transfer the files, but I have to make sure that I am doing only this files which is required. You see here, yes, Mavo files I am putting, Mavo account I am putting, like that. So now only required files I am just entering inside, because you see in the backup folder there are many other files which is not required. So I am putting only Mavo and Mavo account. Okay, the transfer is already done. Now I am coming back to my menu, that is swinst menu. In the OXE I am going to swinst, then the password is SOFTINST, softinst. Now I will go to expert menu 2. Again I am going to 4, that is backup and restore operations. Now I will go to restore operations right now, because earlier we have gone to immediate backup. Now I am going to restore operations, that is 3. Now it is asking me from where I should do it. Okay, so I am taking it from restore from CPU disk. Okay, now you see there are many days. It has October 9, November 6, November 20, November 27. There are many backups inside the system. So whether maybe I can go back to any of these particular dates, or I can go to the immediate backup, that is 1. Now, do you want to restore Mavo, voice gates, and according data? Okay, I am saying the 1, yes, but it will not allow me. You know why? Because the telephonic application is running now. Let's see what happens. Now it is asking me, yes, do you want to do this? You please confirm your action. Yes. You see, confirm your action. Yes, please stop the telephone on your CPU. Because when your CPU telephone application is on, you cannot do this. So what you have to do? You have to go back. You see here in Sinst menu, you have two menus, easy menu and expert menu. So you have to go to 1, that is easy menu. Then you can see stop the telephone. So when you stop the telephone, that is the database application which is running, stop the telephone. Yes. Now what will happen, guys? The system will go on a reboot. Then it will come up without the telephone. Means the telephone application will not, the system will start, but the telephone application will not start. So you have to understand that in Alcatel OXE, it is a Linux server. So there are two things. One is Linux operating system, and the other one is the Mavo database, that is the telephone database. So when you are stopping the telephone, but the Linux is starting, Linux server will start, but the telephone application will not start. So at that time, what you can do any modification like backup, restore, all those modification you can do on the Linux part. So now I can tell you this is taking time to restart. So you see now it has gone network error, software where connection abort, because it is rebooting. So I lost the connection between my OXE and the laptop. Okay, fine, no problem. Now it is inactive. What I can do, I can just do a ping command. Okay, you see, I will do a ping command here to see whether system is coming up or not. Okay, so the system is not coming up. Okay, I am just waiting. Yes, now you can see that the system started pinging, right? So it is coming up, starting slowly. So let me go back to this window. I will restart the system. Yes, now it has come up like mtcl. Okay, now you can see it has come up, but it does not have any telephone applications. So I put swinst, password is SOFTINST. Okay, now you go to 2, then 4, then 3 is restore, then restore from CPU disk, restore from immediate backup, restore Mavo voice database. Do you confirm? Yes. Do you secure the restoration? No. You don't want to put any password or something like that for the restoration. You have to just restore. So you put no. Now it is asking me some files, right? So it has the DAO, Mavo voice clears, everything is completed. Now plus return. So the restore operation is completed. Now you can go back. You have to start the telephone. You go to easy menu. You start the telephone 8. Start the telephone. Yes. Now it will again reboot and come up with the telephone application. And as I told you again, you see it has gone on reboot, so that the connection is disconnected. Don't worry, it will take 5 to 10 minutes and come back with telephone application. So it will be with your database, the new database which you have put. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.